Boo Blaster number 6. Alright. Get in there, she's moving. Okay, I think we're good. Alright, 0-0. Let's see who can get the most boos. I think yours is sticky. Mine's not too bad, but that's always a risk. You gotta wash your hands after you go on any of these rides. I think so. I don't know if my gun works. You're killing it. Oh no, I got a shot in. Okay. Wow, it's a tricky pickle. I don't know if it aims left, right, up, down, low. Or maybe it's just the lit up ones. The ones with the blue light. Yeah, it is. You just go for the blue light special. And then once somebody hits it, it turns off. That's what goes on. Boy, I couldn't get that one. This is a hard game. If somebody can get in here and really do good at this, there's something else. It's always fun, these indoor dark rides. I love them. Ah, come on, get him! Get him! Oh. Watch out. I'm tempted to look down the barrel to see which direction the beam comes out. Oh, you got that. Becky, you're on 270. I got 60 points. You're doing great. You got 300 points. There, I got 90 on that. Boy, it's tough though, huh? Oh, boy. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. Oh, come on. It's so close. Oh, you got... I got that one. I got that 120. Wow, you're killing it. So many. Okay, there's the score, 360 to 210. Becky is the blue ribbon shooter in Boo Blasters, 360. That's a nice score, I think.